What's up everyone? I'm Mike, and welcome back to Top Crypto. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Hedgehog, but before we begin please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado let's get to it. Hedgehog is a crypto-first robo-advisor that connects to hundreds of wallets and exchanges and helps you trade at the best possible price, automatically. Hedgehog is the only company approved to give personalized crypto advice in the US. Track anything. Whether it's in your wallet or ours, you'll never lose track again with synced balances and transaction histories. With over 550 plus supported wallets. Manage addresses, transactions, and balances from over 550 different wallets and 2,000 plus supported assets. Connect your crypto accounts. Whether it's in your wallet or ours, you can track it on Hedgehog. Automatically sync and update your address balances and transaction histories. Automatically sync balances. Auto-magically sync balances for hundreds of assets using your public address or wallet, with more being added all the time. Trade everywhere. Coinbase, OKEX, Kraken, pick an exchange and odds are you can trade on it through Hedgehog. Trade on over 170 plus exchanges. After linking your accounts, you can trade across any of your exchanges. With over 170 plus supported exchanges and growing, you can trade any asset, anytime at better rates. Crypto advice just for you. They're the first robo-advisor approved to give personalized crypto advice in the United States. Coming soon, best price trading. When you trade on Hedgehog, we'll meet or beat the best price available on any exchange. Powered by Gemini and Hopscotch, limited to supported assets. The secret sauce. Using our proprietary algorithms that take advantage of low liquidity spreads, we can often offer up to a 0.5% discount to the nearest exchange price. Even if that discount doesn't exist, we can still connect users with the best price on any exchange. It's a win-win. We only ever make money if you get a discount on a trade. So it's a win-win all day every day. Powered by Hopscotch. Swap any asset at the best possible price. Using an advanced set of algorithms and a sprinkling of black magic, we route through centralized and decentralized venues to get you the best price. Best price trades. Convert anything to anything for the lowest price possible. Convert anything to anything. Hopscotch is a retail-only liquidity provider dedicated to radically transparent digital asset conversions for everyday users. Personalize your portfolio. With constantly updating balances, it is easy to build and manage a portfolio. We make it simple to deploy an asset allocation strategy. Build your own portfolio. With constantly updating balances, it is easy to build and manage a portfolio. We make it simple to deploy an asset allocation strategy. Stack your assets together. Group your assets into stacks for increased customizability. You can also add pre-made stacks to your portfolio. Choose a strategy. Within each stack, you can set strategies that apply target weights to your assets based on market cap, active users, or transactions. Everything on web, now on mobile. All the features you love on our web app, beautifully redesigned for iOS and Android. Meet the team behind Hedgehog. Taylor Culbertson, the CEO and co-founder. Colton Dillian, CTO and co-founder. Jason Dillian, Chief Operating Officer. Peter Schreier, Lead Front-End Engineer. And many more. Now here are the investors of Hedgehog. Dragonfly Capital, Y Combinator, Sixth Man Ventures, Orange DAO, and many more. Introducing the partners of Hedgehog. Gemini, Parsec Finance, Santiment, Hopscotch and others. Let us visit Hedgehog's Twitter page. Hedgehog currently has 916 followers and still rising. Let's witness the pinned tweet. If you want someone to talk you through it, come hang out with the Hedgehog team on Discord. We're happy to answer questions. And that's all for Hedgehog. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thanks for watching.